Welcome to our channel. If you're dealing with Steam error code 50, this video will guide you through 10 easy ways to fix it. This error usually happens when Steam can't connect to its servers, causing problems with downloads and updates. Let's dive in. 1. Restart Steam in your computer. What it does: a simple restart can fix temporary issues. How to fix: close Steam completely and restart your PC or Mac. 2. Check your internet connection. What it does: a weak connection can trigger this error. How to fix: ensure you're connected to the internet. Restart your router if needed. 3. Run Steam as administrator. What it does: provides Steam with elevated permissions to avoid permission issues. How to fix: right-click Steam, run as administrator. 4. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. What it does: firewalls and antivirus software can block Steam's connection. How to fix: disable your antivirus/firewall and check if the error is fixed. 5. Clear Steam download cache. What it does: clears out corrupted cache files that can cause connection issues. How to fix: go to Steam settings, downloads, clear download cache. 6. Change download server region. What it does: sometimes Steam servers in your region may be down. How to fix: go to Steam settings, downloads, download region and select a different region. 7. Update Steam and drivers. What it does: updates can fix bugs and improve performance. How to fix: update Steam and network drivers through your device's update settings. 8. Check Steam server status. What it does: the issue might be with Steam's servers. How to fix: visit steamstat.us to check for server outages. 9. Reinstall Steam. What it does: reinstalling can fix deep-rooted issues. How to fix: uninstall Steam, download and install the latest version from the official site. 10. Use a VPN. What it does: a VPN can help bypass server-related issues. How to fix: connect to a VPN and try using Steam again. Conclusion: by following these 10 easy fixes, you should be able to resolve Steam error code 50 and get back to gaming. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more helpful guides.